This is the windmill. I'm going to show it to you and then break it down. Alright, so the benefits to the windmill, it's great for shoulder mobility and shoulder flexibility, shoulder strength, and same with hips, hip mobility, hip strength, hip flexibility. So I start out this movement with the bell overhead. You can clean it, press it, or snatch it. So you want to get it overhead first and then move your feet. Whatever hand you have up, whatever bell you have up, you're going to move your feet in the opposite direction. So about 30 or 45 degrees away from your hand. And then I always watch my hand, and all I'm doing is a deadlift position. So I'm pushing my hips straight back, creasing at my hip. Both legs should be straight, especially the back leg. The front leg can be slightly bent. And then you want to squeeze your butt, really compress your abs. Take a nice deep breath at the bottom. And then adjust your feet to bring the bell back down. That's the windmill.